Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to show you how to install the round headlight decals for the Jeep Wrangler. These decals are specially designed for Wrangler headlights. They enhance the front end look, add a rugged style, and make your Jeep stand out. First, make sure to thoroughly clean the headlight surface with a clean cloth. Remove any dust or grease to ensure a strong, long-lasting adhesive bond. Next comes the most important part, trimming the decals. Since the headlights are round, you will need to carefully cut the decals with scissors at a few points to match the curve of the lights. This step is key to preventing bubbles, wrinkles, or lifting edges. After trimming, start applying the decal from one edge. Slowly press it along the headlight rim. Use your fingers or a squeegee to smooth it out and push out any air bubbles as you go. Once installed, your Jeep's front look instantly upgrades, bolder, cooler, and full of personality. These decals are waterproof, UV resistant, and built to handle the outdoors. Thanks for watching. If you like these Jeep headlight decals, don't forget to like, comment, and grab yours.